Hello everybody. So I'm going to show you how to get to typing and like drawing on our stuff. So I prefer for you to go to Classroom so you can look at every assignment you need to do. So I'm going to do opinion writing because it's the easiest one I know. So if you see over here, there's more actions. Click on the three dots. Then you're going to go to Open New in New Window. Once you do that, you should go to here. If you don't, just try it again. So once you are here, you cannot type, so you're going to have to go to here to Open With. You can either do DocHub, PDF, Sign and Edit, and Lumion PDF. If you don't see Lumion, it should show DocHub at least. So I prefer to go to Lumion PDF. So it's gonna say, please grant access to Google Drive. You want to push connect to Google Drive. It's gonna do a little stuff for you, so you're gonna have to like sign in. Once you first sign in and you keep doing this, you won't have to sign in anymore. It will just do it for you. So now that you get to here, show all your stuff. As you see, I've already done this assignment. So here, if you need to go premium if you want to do this on Lumion. The free text don't really need to do on this assignment, but you're going to need it on other assignments like the Oreo writing of this. Oreo. And then you can use freehand tools. Only way I know how to erase is pushing the undo over here. And that's it. That's all you do. Really easy, really simple. And hope that you find this helpful. Thank you.